All right, here's a simple request from a client. What they want is in this web form, they want us to add a drop down, or they want us to add a county to this drop down. So using AI, we'll just use ChatGPT. I'll show you how to do it and why this is so important to learn AI, because it makes this job so much easier and quicker. So first thing to do is I'm going to drag the drop down over. And then I'm going to change it to county. And then I want to add all the counties in Maryland. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, give me the list of all the counties in Maryland. So now it's going to break out all this. And while it's doing that, as part of the drop down, it says you can do a bulk add rather than typing them all in at the same time. So add choices, one per line, easy. So I'm going to go back into ChatGPT. It's got all of the counties. I'm just going to copy and paste them in, add new choices. Then there, it's all done. Oh, let's just delete first, second, third choice. And that is it. And we can make this a required field. And is there any other advanced logic behind this things? How about select one? We can add that on there. And that's basically it. So using the tools that you have available, rather than doing a Google search, you just go right into ChatGPT or any AI, prints them out, copy, paste, and you're done.